Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates newly built campus of Nalanda University in Rajgir, Bihar. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma released 3 significant publications and an online portal, Meghalaya Forest Fire Information System. Ribhoi police use reasonable force to detain highway robbers. Central agencies have taken up the case of bomb threat emails to Meghalaya High Court, says SP Pankaj Kumar Rasgania. And 2-day training on sensitization of 3 new criminal codes organized by Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute at Jowai. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said knowledge can play a crucial role in making India develop by 2047. Addressing a gathering of students and faculty members at Sushma Swaraj Auditorium at Nalanda University in Rajgir, Modi said India can achieve a position of superpower by strengthening its education and knowledge system. The Prime Minister inaugurated the newly built campus of Nalanda University in Rajgir in Bihar. He said that Nalanda University was a great example of our identity and traditions to the world. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today released 3 significant publications focused on Meghalaya's forests and launched an online portal, the Meghalaya Forest Fire Information System. The event took place at the Cabinet Room in the main secretariat. The publications released include Rotation Age and Volume Estimation of Khasi Pine in Meghalaya, Volume 1, Forest Inventory of Sacred Groves in Meghalaya, Volume 3, and Geospatial Mapping of Forest Fire Vulnerable and Forest Fire Prone Areas in Meghalaya. In his address, the Chief Minister said, under the Chief Minister's Research Scholar Program, various research initiatives are being undertaken.
Apart from the research that we do out here in this, what is going to be very important is to be able to link the different research that we do and allow this entire, the data analytics to be able to create predictability models for us in the future and know how one particular aspect of research or the trend that is happening in a particular area will affect another aspect.
Ribhoi police was compelled to use reasonable force to detain 4 hardcore highway robbers involved in extortion and the kidnapping of a driver. The suspects attempted to flee from a highway checkpoint set up by the police, necessitating the use of controlled force, including firing at the vehicle. The 4 apprehended robbers have been identified as Pradeep Gogoi from Dibrugarh, Tulan Phukan from Lakhimpur, Pranjal Gogoi from Tinsukia, and Deep Das from Bugaghat, Assam. The kidnapped driver has been identified as Princhand Kumar Mali from Jharkhand. According to Additional Superintendent of Police Banrap Jirwa, the involvement of the robbers in extortion and kidnapping was revealed through information provided by one driver. All 4 highway robbers are now in police custody and an investigation is underway.
As far as I can say, from our side, reasonable force had to be used to detain these people, and investigation is ongoing to find out whatever linkages are involved. Thank you.
Thank you.
From their initial statement, we've got to know that there was one truck driver who was possibly kidnapped by them. His name is Shri Premchand Kumar Mali from Jharkhand, and his vehicle number truck is JH02AK9061. He has been rescued by the team from Umiam PS. He's being brought to the police station and he'll be taken for medical as well. A case is being registered right now, and further investigation will lead us to understand what were the motives of these people and since when they have been indulging in such acts.
Superintendent of Police City Pankaj Kumar Rasgania said the central agencies have taken up the case of bomb threat emails to Meghalaya High Court. This is the second time such a threat email has been sent. A similar threat was also issued through an email on January 6, 2024. Stating that the similar threat has been issued to other high courts as well, Rasgania said police are still inquiring about it as the bomb threat mail sent to the High Court of Meghalaya turned out to be spam. The city SP said police are taking the threat seriously, though no FIR has been registered. Meanwhile, the security has been beefed up as the security drills were also conducted in the High Court on Tuesday. Bomb squads and bomb-sniffing dogs were deployed.
That one email was sent to High Court, which says that bombs has been placed in certain places of High Court. So it was tagged as spam by the Gmail. So we still don't know whether it is a genuine email or it is a spam. So we are still inquiring into it, and as and when we get the details, we'll inform you. In the previous incident which happened, we had already registered an FIR, and after investigation, we had got the details, and the incident which happened, so it was a very generic email, and it was not just sent to Meghalaya High Court, it was sent to all the high courts.
The Voice of the People Party yesterday filed an FIR against Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma. The party urged the police to take necessary action against the minister. Filing FIR on behalf of the party, Danny Langste, Finance Secretary of the party, said prior to the recently held Member of Parliament elections 2024, a video clip went viral where it is seen and heard that the said minister concerned in an election campaign made statements that were a direct imputation against the Voice of the People party, and allegations were made that the said party will destroy, kill, oppress and annihilate other communities, which is totally false.
Integrity of the constitution. At the end of the day, we are not the law. That's the very reason why we have come here and filed an FIR, which we have given a copy of that clip to the law enforcement, so they will take their own course of time to vet the video, the originality of the video.
Acting on specific information, the Meghalaya Police Department intercepted a local taxi suspected to be carrying narcotic substances. Upon thorough search of the vehicle, the police found a packet of yaba tablets weighing around 186 grams yesterday at IGP Point. From the interception, a woman who is an occupant of the said local taxi and who is in possession of the tablets was arrested, and a case was registered against her, and the police have arrested her for further investigation. The member of the regional committee, Miral Bonds Aim, has asserted that they are not ready to give even an inch of land to neighbouring states by force. Speaking to media persons about the second phase of border talks, which has not happened for over a year now, Aim said that they are concerned about skirmishes occurring frequently along the border, and it is the duty of the government to maintain peace and tranquility in the state, making it clear that no dispute can be resolved 100%. Aim pointed out that the committee will make best efforts to ensure that the outcome is in the interest of the indigenous population of the state.
As I have stated, that this is a sensitive matter. It relates with the land. Everybody, we are concerned about the land. We are not ready to give up even an inch of our land. So this is a sensitive issue. Untoward incident happening in the border area, but the government, the district administration they has been instructed to be very vigilant on this. They have to be very proactive, and I hope that the district administration with the government will look into that no untoward incident will happen, and we are in the process to resolve this issue. I'm not saying that it will be resolved 100%.
The Commissioner and Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department, Joram Beda, today said that he was shocked to learn that in Meghalaya there is no registered organ donation or transplantation organization. He was speaking in a program on deceased organ donation and the way forward at MIIT Dhanketi. Beda said that due to the legal provisions in Transplantation of Human Organs Act 1994, there are a lot of procedures involved in it. He said that there is huge potential in the deceased organ donation, but unfortunately, there is one area which has not been explored, particularly in the Northeast. He said that there is no proper organ storage system, and for that reason, many of the patients who have a brain stem die. Their organs cannot be stored, therefore, organ transplantation becomes impossible.
The legal provisions, that is the Transplantation of Human Organs Act 94, which has been amended from time to time. It's not a cakewalk. You just get a transplantation. There's a lot of procedures in place, and the transplantation can be either from a near relative donor, or it can be out of affection, or it can be out of disease. A very huge potential lies in the deceased organ donor. But unfortunately, that is one area which has not been explored, especially in India, and particularly in northeastern region. We do not have proper cadaveric storage systems, and for that reason,
the Laddom Presbyterian Secondary School in Eastern West Khasi Hills District today organized a program to facilitate Ridahun Walang, who have secured 15th position in the top 20 of the recent SSLC examination 2024. The local MLA, Medba Lingdo, was the chief guest in the program in the presence of Vice Principal of St. Thomas Higher Secondary School, Pindeng Omyong, Mairang, Sister Cecily, members of the MC, students and others. Lingdo in his speech congratulated Ridahun Walang and encouraged other students to do well in their studies. As an acknowledgement to the school, he has promised to help the school with financial assistance.
Starts now. Sedang mendak, mulai selesai. Mendak sedang. Perintah berlengkai, komunikasi pada kita ini semua zaman yang berkaitan dengan proses masa semua wah sudah berkembang dan semua sekolah kita harus
The two-day training on sensitization of the 3 new criminal codes, organized by the Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute Shillong, sponsored by the Law Department, concluded today in the Conference Hall of Deputy Commissioner's Office, Jawai. The training focused on the 3 new criminal codes, Nyay Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sashya Adhiyan. The resource persons, Samkuparlang Latem, Law Officer, Law Department, discussed the new criminal codes. C.W. Lingdo, Additional SP, Crime, West Jantia Hills, elaborated on Forensic Science Laboratory, FSL, the 3 criminal codes, while Public Prosecutor, West Jantia Hills, explained on Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita. Motorsports Club Meghalaya, one of the oldest associations, yesterday informed that they will organize a 3-day off-road trophy, which will be held on 20th to 22nd June 2024 at Kirdem Kulai, Ribhoi District. Speaking to the media, President of Motorsports Club Meghalaya, Eugene Nyangti, said that the association will hold this competition as part of celebrating the 20 years of existence of the association. He further said that the winner will receive a cash prize, trophy and certificate.
Actually, an off-road event where different kinds of 4x4 cars can participate. It's a 3-day event. Starting from the 20th, it's a night stage, then the second day followed by second day and the third day, which will be concluded by the prize distribution. So we want to inform the media and the people who want to participate. They can come there and experience to watch, or you can participate to bring your vehicles and taste what is off-roading all about. It's kind of a monsoon challenge also at the same time, because we're purposely doing it on the rainy time. And of course we're giving the trophy, the certificate and prize money for all the categories.
And now the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded today was 19.3 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature 16.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 100% and in the evening 98%. Rainfall recorded today was 18 millimeter. Forecast: moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before we end this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates newly built campus of Nalanda University in Rajgir, Bihar. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma released 3 significant publications and an online portal, Meghalaya Forest Fire Information System. Ribhoi police use reasonable force to detain highway robbers. Central agencies have taken up the case of bomb threat emails to Meghalaya High Court, says SP Pankaj Kumar Rasgania. And 2-day training on sensitization of 3 new criminal codes organized by Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute at Jowai. And that's all we have for you in this news of today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.